Welcome back, Alex.
Hi Lee.
We've done a few different videos talking about Rubrik and how it fits into an environment. One area I think that's quite integral is the speed.
Yeah.
How quickly people can actually back up and protect their environment. Tell me a little bit about Rubrik and how it does this.
Yeah, of course. So we often find with customers that their backup windows end up being longer than the change of the data. So you get problems where, if it takes 30 hours to back up a big machine, you've got a problem, right? You're going to have missing data. So Rubrik can back up data very quickly, initially ingest it very quickly over 10 gig Ethernet and into SSD, but also everything after that is incremental forever. So you're only backing up tiny bits of data each time. So really the shorter your RPO, the less data you back up. We ingest it very quickly, so you don't have to worry about those big backup windows.
When you talk about incrementals, does that create extra work when you're looking to recover, that you've got these incrementals to roll into your backup, or is it done differently?
It's all automatic. So if I have a 4-hour backup SLA, when I go to this 4-hour, I back up any change block data and I bring that together with the previous 4-hour, etc., etc. So you have one instance of that 4-hour backup that's got all the data in there. So if you want to recover it, you just press instant recovery and it'll be back up and running. Very, very simple.
So are there any particular reasons that Rubrik's quicker than other types of environments for backing up?
Yeah, so we ingest data over 10 gig Ethernet, we bring it into SSD, and then we put it onto spinning disk. So essentially, throughout even a single appliance, there are 8 10 gig networking connections. So we can bring that data in fast, but we're also very mindful that we don't overrun the primary system. So we keep an eye out on how that's running. So if your VMware environment's running at 95% CPU, we can understand that and we'll take a step back and maybe stop backing up for a little while until it's a little bit calmer.
Yeah. I understand it's a multi-threaded environment as well, so you can run multiple backups at the same time?
Yes, indeed. So, when you build an SLA, for example, you may put 100 machines into that SLA, and within that period of time, it will back up all of those machines. But again, it's intelligent. So if that's a 4-hour backup SLA, it will look at when to back up those machines so they all comply to the 4-hour period, but it's not going to try and suck all the data in at once. It's going to be mindful again of the primary environment.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much, Alex.
Thanks, Lee.